Today I'm going to be removing the steering rack from my Porsche 944. This is a naturally aspirated one from 1984, but this one has a power steering rack in it. So generally speaking, it will be most of the 944s because most of them came with power steering. Recently I have gone through and updated the spark plugs and spark wires, as well as the fuel distribution system. I replaced the fuel pump, fuel filter, and then I rebuilt the injectors here and just kind of dressed it up a little bit, made sure everything was functioning fine, and gave it a fresh coat of paint. So looks pretty nice. Hoping to kind of see the same success here with my steering rack. On it, I got this whole kit right here. Pretty much everything in this I bought as a full kit. It cost me like, I think $130. Compared to getting a fully new power steering rack, this saves me a whole bunch of money because a new rack would have cost me like, I think, $700 at the low end. This I did buy separately. These are banjo bolts. This is for the power steering system. Two of these go into the steering rack and one goes into the power steering pump. They also came with some crush washers as well. So that's pretty nice. Another thing about them is that they are hex bolts on the head instead of 6mm Allen. So it's going to be a very nice quality of life thing, because if I need to take it apart again, there's less of a chance of me stripping it out. So that'll be nice. I also got some specialty tools to help make this a lot easier for myself. So the first one here, ball joint separator. This thing came from Harbor Freight, Pittsburgh. Got it for like 20 bucks. This thing I got for like 16. I think it was on sale, still Harbor Freight. I also got this mainly because it will make it a whole lot easier to separate is the universal joint for the steering column. And so it's pretty seized up. It looks a little bit corroded, a little bit rusty. So I know that I'm gonna have a hard time taking that off. So I thought that this would be like the perfect thing to like separate it as well. So I just went ahead and picked it up anyways too. I'm hoping that it'll take me about like, I guess 2.5 hours to take the rack out. I'm gonna do that today. It might take longer. Afterwards, I'm probably gonna make a separate video on rebuilding the rack itself and then putting it all together. And then I'll have like a video with all three of the parts combined. So then it'll be like a, full video about it all.
You just